Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best washer-dryer sets is probably one of the most significant investments you'll make for your home, and with so many options available, choosing the right one can feel overwhelming. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of front-load washer and dryer sets, exploring their features, benefits, and what you should consider before making a purchase. We'll cover everything from energy efficiency and capacity to smart features and overall performance, helping you make an informed decision. Number 5. Camco Stackable Washer Drain Pan, 21006. Are you worried about water damage from your washing machine? This drain pan is designed to catch leaks and protect your floors. It sits securely beneath your appliance, keeping your floors safe and dry. This washing machine tray is ideal for stackable washer and dryer units. With outside dimensions of 28 L, x 30 W, x 2716 H, and inside dimensions of 25 L, x 27 W, it fits perfectly. It's also great for apartment-sized machines. Installing this drain pan is a breeze. It features a 1x1 1/2 PVC drain fitting, lock nut, and gasket for a secure connection. The drain holes are scored for adaptability, making assembly fast and straightforward. This product is proudly made in the USA with top-notch materials. The manufacturer takes pride in producing long-lasting quality products while supporting the US economy. You can trust its durability. This washer drain pan is built to withstand wear and tear. Made from tough, injection-molded, no-break plastic, it's designed for unmatched durability and reliability. You can count on it for years of dependable use. This drain pan adds a touch of style to your laundry area. Featuring a modern white finish, it seamlessly complements a wide range of home decors. Its design is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. What we like? This drain pan is designed to catch any leaks, protecting your floors from water damage. It's made of durable plastic, ensuring it will last. If you are looking for a simple and effective way to protect your laundry room, you should consider this. What people say. It is protecting those floors from that leaky washer. The size is perfect, plenty of perimeter around the box to catch any messes they may do. This drain pan provides ample room for your dog to do his or her business. Number 4. Kiss Core 29-inch Washer Dryer Stacking Kit. Tired of cluttered laundry rooms? This stacking kit helps you install your dryer above your washing machine, maximizing your space and keeping things tidy. It's a simple solution for a more organized home. This kit is designed to fit a wide range of washer and dryer sizes, from 24 to 29 inches. Before ordering, make sure it fits your appliances. It's adjustable to ensure a perfect fit. The kit features a convenient pull-out drying rack in the center. Made from durable materials, it's sturdy and provides a handy space for drying delicate items. It's built to last. Setting up this stacking kit is a breeze, with no tools required. Simply place it between your appliances, make adjustments, and secure it with the included ratchet straps. Detailed instructions and a video guide are available to help you. This stacking kit is compatible with many popular washing machine brands, including Whirlpool, GE, Samsung, LG, Frigidaire, Bosch, Maytag, Kenmore, Electrolux, Amana, Crosley and Admiral. It's designed to work with your existing appliances. What we like? This stacking kit helps you save space by allowing you to stack your dryer on top of your washer. It also includes a convenient pull-out drying rack. If you have a small living space and need to maximize your laundry room's functionality, you should consider this. What people say. The washing machine is very quiet. The clothes come out clean and fresh. The dryer has a lot of different settings for different types of clothing. Number 3. Romalon W10869845 Dryer Stacking Kit. Tired of a cluttered laundry room? This stacking kit is designed to help you save space. It allows you to safely stack your dryer on top of your washing machine. The kit comes with everything you need for installation. It includes washer feet, brackets, clips, and screws. This ensures a secure and stable setup for your appliances. This stacking kit is compatible with several brands. It's designed to fit Kenmore, Maytag, and Whirlpool models. Please check the part numbers to ensure a proper fit. Installation is straightforward and can be done with basic tools. You'll need a screwdriver, wrench, and pliers. For safety, it's recommended that 2 people work together. Made from high-quality materials, this kit is built to last. It ensures long-lasting and effective performance. It provides a safe and secure stacking solution. Romalon stands behind its products. If you're not satisfied, you can request a replacement or refund. Feel free to contact us with any questions. What we like. This stacking kit is made of durable materials and designed for easy installation. It helps you safely stack your dryer, saving space in your laundry room. If you are looking for a reliable and space-saving solution, you should consider this. What people say. Easy to use, protects washer from damage when stacked, functional, durable, very compatible with my laundry set. Worked like a charm stacking our washer and dryer. Easy installation. Fit our whirlpool without issue. Worked good for my whirlpool washer and dryer. Number 2. SpaceAid Washer Dryer Countertop, 54x27.5 Laundry Shelf. Tired of a cluttered laundry room? This countertop is designed to keep your washer and dryer area organized. It provides a functional and spacious cover holder for all your laundry essentials. Featuring a modern design with raised edges, this countertop prevents items from falling. The white color complements any home decor style, adding both functionality and aesthetics to your space. Made from a durable solid board, this shelf is easy to clean and built to last. It's sturdy enough to hold all your laundry room accessories, helping you live an organized life. The included non-slip pads ensure the shelf stays securely in place. They prevent the countertop from sliding around, providing added safety and convenience. Setting up this wood laundry topper is a breeze. Clear instructions are included in the package, allowing you to effortlessly assemble the washer and dryer shelf quickly. What we like. This countertop provides extra space for folding clothes or storing laundry supplies. The raised edges prevent items from falling off. If you like having a well-organized laundry room with extra workspace, you should consider this. What people say. The instructions were easy to follow and everything was drilled perfectly and lined up correctly. This is a very solid countertop for your washer-dryer. It was easy to put together and I assembled it in under 15 minutes. It appears to be sturdy and well made. The faux marble is surprisingly realistic and looks good in my gray laundry room. This countertop fits perfectly on top of my new Maytag washer and dryer and functions well for folding laundry. Number 1. AMI Parts W10869845 Stack Kit. This stack kit, W10869845, provides sturdy support for your washer and dryer. It includes all the necessary components for a secure installation. This ensures your appliances are safely stacked. The W10869845 kit is designed to replace several part numbers. It's compatible with various models, making it a versatile choice. This simplifies the replacement process. This stack kit works with most top brands. If you're unsure if it fits, you can ask for help. We are happy to assist you in selecting the correct part for your dryer. The kit comes with installation instructions. You can follow the guide or watch online videos. If you need help, we are here to provide support. We value your experience and offer an after-sale guarantee. Feel free to contact us with any questions. We will respond as soon as possible to ensure your satisfaction. What we like. This stack kit is easy to install and provides sturdy support for your dryer. It is compatible with many top brands. If you are looking for a reliable and easy to install stacking kit, you should consider this. What people say. The washing machine is incredibly quiet. The clothes come out clean and fresh. The dryer has a steam function that is great for freshening up clothes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.